my beautiful people, my darling people. Today na about Dion God set foundation. Today na a birthday. Today na be the day wey God wey im mama born na for belle. Today na be God sent foundation birthday. Happy birthday to you, my brother, my brother from another mother. Happy birthday to you. I wish you everything you wish yourself. I wish you all the good things wey you wish yourself. We dey see the good work wey you dey do for Naija there. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, long life and prosperity. Abemo na join me pray for this great man. E no easy to get this kind a great man for Benin. Like, we don't know what we get for that Benin. Dion, he dey really try. God will bless you. God will continue to bless you, my brother, because this man, he go see who they suffer, he go help him. He go see who not see food shop, he go help him. This year is your year. This year, everything where you dey look for, what you want make God do for you, God go do one for you for this year. If na pikin o, if na money o, anything you want make God do for you for this year, God go do one for you, Dion. Happy birthday to you. Long life and prosperity. Your wife, Winnie, he say they wish you happy birthday. He say all the good things for this life. He say wetin he ask God wey God never do for him. He say na you, na be the number one thing wey God don't do for him. He say you be good man. Since where she don't take the follow man, and you be the best man when he don't ever follow for your life. When 12 una can't even still marry, they enjoy una self. Happy birthday to you, Dion. Long life and prosperity. More money in your account. Your wife, when they say, make you take anything for her care today. He said, today na your day, make you make shakara. Make I sing this ogbonge music for this our brother because he want him. Well, let me pray for this man. He's a great man. You will see who they suffer. He will carry him for head, help him. God will continue to bless you, Dion. God will do everything what you do looking for this life. God will do it for you this year. Eh? Nobody about what more than eh? Somebody happy birthday to you, my brother. I wish you all the good things in this life. I wish you long life. I wish you prosperity. Oh, me. Wa bless you with here. Wa bless you with here. Ave here where ya. Ni we here beg you where agboma we. Osalobo here Swiss ya wiya. So that in area ori ya abege we and we wa progress here. God go dey bless you, they go. God go dey bless you yanfu. Wetin you go ask God? wey God don go do for you. A man of a good heart, a man wey dey go see who dey suffer, I go say no, I wan help this person. If I never help am, no go rest. We dey see the good job wey you dey do for Nigeria there. We dey see am. You dey really try. You dey really try. Anybody no ogbo walk battle Jehovah weakness. When you battle Jehovah weakness, here is you battle ya appreciate ya do 5 ototo. Eri ave gian we ya rio han aje we ni Jesus. Happy birthday once again, my brother. God will bless you. God will bless this your new age. God will bless you and bless you and bless you. God will bless your wife. Everything where your wife they look for this life, God go do am for her for this year too. Emi ya na ge ya nya gbon wa no salobwa ikeder wa de. A true birthday we na or the point of contact no salobwa no ya bless you. You know, God will bless you, my brother. Bye. It's all about you, genocide. Area that boy working, I'm not saying. Oh, brother, wasting this music, God will bless you. Osa lobari po bawokbo, lobari po bawokbo genocide. Lobari po bawokbo. Osa lobari po bawokbo. Osa lobari po bawokbo genocide. Any that boy where I'm say. Here we are the star. Go yes I go. Keep more walk more. Osalobari po bawokbo. Bawokbo. Osalobari po bawokbo. Osalobari po bawokbo. Salabari Bobawokbo, Denosage, Salabari Bobawokbo. Your life will shine. You will be shining and shining the gold. A man with a good heart. A man we go say, even though you know it's making see people they eat because they feel for the poor, you know. So God will continue to bless you, my brother. God will bless you, Denosage.
I'll tell you my sins and you can shop and get